So the first thing that I do is I get warm water in my continuous spray bottle, get my hair almost all the way wet, pretty much super damp. And then with my detangler that I had sprayed in, I will brush everything out and then go in first with my super moisture mask. You only need about 2 quarter-size dollops if you have thick, longer hair, and 1 quarter-size dollop if you have shorter, thinner hair, or anywhere in between. Then going in with our new Damage Repair Bond Support Mask, making sure I get anywhere that I use a lot of heat, bleach, or just have a lot of flyaways or anything like that, your most susceptible areas. And then our Bond Support Treatment. It's going to heal damage instantly and long term through friction being activated, and it is patented by us only through monosomes. And then making sure you brush everything out, but I'm going to just add my oil treatment here on my scalp and my ends, about 2 syringefuls for the whole head, scalp, and ends, and then throw it up in a tight bun for a few hours before you wash it out.